Honorable members, I've now received a written report from the returning officer. The result of the ballot is as follows. The total number of ballot papers issued is 339. The total number of ballot papers counted is 339. The total number of spoiled to invalid ballot papers is 12. And the candidates' votes are as follows. Honorable J.S. Malema, 44 votes. Honorable MC Ramaphosa, 283 votes. Honorable members, honorable members, in terms of item 6 of Part A of Schedule 3 of the Constitution, I accordingly declare Honorable MC Ramaphosa duly elected President
Ramaphosa.
I have the honor as
We can now hear the song from the DA.
And we have now come
What is the song from the
end
DA?
of my role in this house. Before I request the Speaker to take the chair, I want to take this opportunity to express my appreciation for the cooperation and dignified manner in which everybody conducted themselves today. It was indeed a real honor and privilege for me to preside in the proceedings of this House. Thank you very much. I now request the Speaker to take the chair.